All right, so I received my deck today. Legendary Ladies Goddess deck. And I love the illustration from when I saw it on Amazon. So, of course, it comes in a cute box. Very sturdy box. I like the box. I actually like the whole composition of the set. Like, that many people might not be that psyched out about a box, but I am. This box is really nice. It's like sturdy and hard. So, it has information on the back, and this is the deck itself. It comes with a booklet, of course, to let you know what each one means. So I'm gonna go and pop this bad boy open, and let's see the cards inside. Not really that hard to open. I just don't have super long nails, so I'm just getting that corner right there, and now you can see it's coming open, busting it open. All right, got that out of the way. So there you have your booklet. Take a quick look in the booklet, and I am outside, so it's super bright. Booklet, words. It's a nice size booklet too. Lets you know what kind of spreads you can do, of course, and then which each card is, who it is. They have, ooh, look who I turned to, Oshun. So, of course, they have what's the origin, and then a bit about that goddess, and then also like a trait or forgiveness for her. So that can be like the going theme when you pick that card, which pretty much it seems like. And I live by a train track, guys. So Lakshmi, look who else I automatically turn to. Two heavy hitters, the ones that I really like, and I have these two on my altar. Abundance, yes, my girl Lakshmi. I turned to that one. Okay, so that's that. The booklet. Now we're gonna I'm just gonna kind of do a quick like go through of the cards. So they, when you get it, you have it. They come in alphabetical order. Is what I'm seeing. And I hadn't heard of her before. Aditi. It's pretty. Arikura, blooming creation. Yeah, these are nice, and some of these I haven't heard of before. Beautiful work. I really love the illustration on these cards. Like, it's really pretty. Aphrodite. That's really cute. That was her for one Halloween. These are beautiful, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm trying to and I'm gonna show you actually Athena. That's a pretty one too. How it looks on the back. This is how all of them look on the back. So just so you know. Bast. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. So goddesses from every culture, looks like. Ones I didn't even know myself. So this is gonna be nice learning about these new ones. Okay. Let's keep trying to go through them real quick so you can see. And I'm self-recording, so like I have my camera set a certain way. So forgive me if I don't get the whole one in, but these are nice. You got Native, African, Nordic. It looks like you got. Okay, that's beautiful. How cute is that? Hathor, Egyptian. So I really like these. See, like I'm telling you, the illustration on point. Oh, that's really pretty. This one's beautiful too. I'm sorry, y'all, for my other fingers in the way. Uh-oh, my girl Kali. She's always made out to be the bad guy. I love this depiction of her. Very beautiful. But sometimes you need that shadow, like the her says shadow, because everybody tries to make her out Kali. Everybody makes her out to be just like, she's just wrath and destruction. But sometimes you need clearing out, like destruction of your old thoughts, old self stuff too. So you need that light in the dark. You can't always just be light. That's something I had to learn, because I always naturally like just to be a light person and be in the light. But I noticed that as I grew up, I need that dark part too. And oh, look at that Lakshmi, beautiful abundance. Not just because, like, for malicious reasons or revenge to get back at anyone, just to understand that balance and, like, not be as easily to be, if you want to say pushover, or just, going with the flow. Like having that extra backbone just to say no and not letting it go everybody else's way. Not caring about myself first. So I definitely needed that side to come through. But these are beautiful. I like all of them. I'm just gonna go through every single one. So pretty. And I saw and I love when I get cards like this that are a mixture, like for me, representation matters, and don't always have something to represent me. So like when I can find something that does have me as well. So, but I also love all the other ones as well. I love this whole set. It's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna be happy to get into this deck actually, and I'm gonna do me a drawing here in a second. I'm just now pulling this up, and man, I'm telling you, this illustration is so beautiful. I'm actually gonna do my own set, so you guys be looking forward to that. But I'm gonna do my own set. But this illustration is so like on point. I'm gonna have to contact Ann and be like, girl, Ann Sheen, girl, Spider Woman, I love it. I love it. Like it's the whole feel of it's beautiful. I'm getting to the end. I got like 2 more left, and this is it, ladies. Ooh, and we end with Yemaya. Beautiful. So yeah, guys, girls, whoever's watching, this is a set, and like I said, all in the back, they're all the same. Okay. But we went through the whole stack, so that's that. And then of course you have your, so pretty, that color and everything, and you got your book here, so you can flip through the book. The goddesses and their meaning. So you're intuitively guided, of course, when you're doing your readings by your higher self. Look at the birds in the back, they concur. So when you're pulling these for yourself or you're doing them for other people, your higher self is guiding you on. So you might think you're just pulling random stuff, but you're actually pulling what your higher self has to show you. So that's it, guys. Guys, girls, everyone that's watching. Hope you guys like this little quick video. Nice set. Nice deck. I love it. Bye.